Not all inventory management platforms are built for the way AV rental and event production teams work. When comparing platforms, it's important to look beyond a simple list of features. In our latest industry report, we found that inventory management is the #1 operational challenge for AV teams. This is often linked to equipment being managed through spreadsheets or disconnected systems that make it difficult to maintain a clear, accurate overview. You need to understand how the software handles the situations your team deals with every day. In this video, we'll cover 5 questions to ask when comparing AV inventory software. These questions will help you evaluate real-time availability, shortage handling, scanning, warehouse workflows, and equipment tracking. Whether you are moving away from spreadsheets, replacing your current system, or choosing inventory software for the first time, this checklist will help you identify whether a platform can support the way your team actually works. 1. Does inventory availability update in real time? Real-time availability means every change to your inventory is reflected immediately in your platform and is visible to your whole team. Whether equipment is newly reserved, out on a job, or marked for repair, the platform updates availability without relying on someone to adjust stock manually. This makes sure your team is working with the latest information when planning upcoming productions. Here's what you should check. Can you see what is available, reserved, and out on a job in a single view? What happens when 2 projects require the same item at overlapping times? Does availability update as soon as equipment is scanned in or marked for repair? This helps you confirm whether the platform can give your team a reliable, up-to-date view of inventory. 2. How does the platform handle shortage resolution? A good inventory platform warns you when equipment is unavailable, giving your team time to resolve the shortage before it affects a production. The system should also make it easy to resolve shortages, whether by selecting an alternative item, transferring stock from another location, or arranging a sub-rental. Here's what you should check. Does the system flag availability conflicts while equipment is being planned? What resolution options are available when a shortage appears? Can you substitute an item, arrange a sub-rental, or initiate a stock transfer directly from the warning? The goal is to identify shortages early enough that your team still has time to find a workable solution before the production begins, rather than discovering the problem when it is too late to resolve. 3. Which equipment tracking methods does it support? When choosing AV inventory software, it is important to know which equipment tracking methods the platform supports. Different methods suit different workflows. Whether you need to check individual items in and out or process larger quantities of equipment at once, the right platform should support the tracking methods that fit your current workflow and give you room to scale as your inventory grows. Barcode and QR code scanning are typically used to process individual items during preparation, dispatch, and returns. RFID enables faster bulk scanning by processing multiple tagged items at once, being especially useful for larger inventories or high-volume workflows. Here's what you should check. Does the platform support barcode, QR code, and RFID tracking? Can you use different tracking methods for different types of equipment? Does each scan immediately update the equipment's status and availability? The goal is to make sure your team can track equipment efficiently across the warehouse workflow, while keeping inventory records accurate and up to date. 4. How does it support packing, dispatch, and returns? A static packing list only shows what should go on the truck. It does not confirm what was actually packed or dispatched. In fact, our industry report shows that more than 43% of AV teams struggle with packing mistakes. That is why good inventory software should generate digital packing lists directly from the project and keep them updated as the equipment plan changes. As warehouse staff scan equipment, the system should update its status in real time, helping the team confirm what has been packed, identify missing items, and track what has been returned. Here's what you should check. Do packing lists update automatically when equipment plans change? What happens when an item is not scanned before dispatch? Can warehouse staff manage packing, dispatch, and returns from a mobile device? The goal is to make sure your warehouse team can see exactly what has been prepared, what has left, and what has returned at every stage of the workflow. 5. Can it track different types of equipment at the right level of detail? AV rental inventory includes more than individually serialized equipment. The right platform should manage serialized units, bulk items, kits, cases, accessories, and consumables at the right level of detail. It should also maintain an individual record for equipment that requires serial-level tracking, including its current status, location, booking history, and repair history. So if a unit is marked for repair, its availability should update automatically. Here's what you should check. Can the platform manage serialized equipment, bulk items, and kits? Can you view the current status and service history of a specific unit? Does a unit marked for repair automatically become unavailable for booking? The goal is to make sure the system can handle the full range of equipment your team manages, while still giving you full visibility into individual units when needed. These 5 questions help you determine whether a platform is built for AV rental workflows or only offers basic inventory functionality. The right inventory software should help your team stay in control from planning through returns. With accurate availability, clear shortage resolution, flexible equipment tracking, and reliable warehouse workflows, Rentman connects every stage of that workflow in one platform built specifically for AV rental and event production teams, giving you full visibility and control over your inventory. To learn more about how Rentman can support your inventory workflows, book a personalized walkthrough using the link below.